Hey there, in this quick demo, I'll show you how fast and easy it is to get started with TeeStik. You'll see it in action in under 60 seconds. TeeStik is a beginner-friendly platform that lets you create and sell custom t-shirt and sticker designs. No design skills, no complicated tools. You'll also get instant access to a massive library of 10,000 done-for-you t-shirt and sticker designs you can download, customize, and resell. Alright, let's jump right in and see how it works. Step 1. AI T-Shirt Design Creator. First, log in to your TeeStik dashboard. Then from the sidebar, click on AI T-Shirt Design Builder. Here's where the magic happens. Just enter a few details using the drop-down menus. Type your niche or main idea. Add a quote if you want text on the design. Choose your design style, like vintage, cartoon, minimalist, pop art, and more. Type your target audience. Choose the mood, layout, and color theme. Then click Submit, and just like that, TeeStik generates a high-quality, ready-to-sell t-shirt design in seconds. You can download it right away, view the AI prompt used to create it, or even regenerate a new version with a single click. Let me show you another quick example. Just change a few settings, and boom, another stunning t-shirt design ready to sell. You can sell these designs on top platforms like Etsy, Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, and more. Step 2. AI Sticker Design Creator. Now let's create a custom sticker design using AI. From the sidebar, click on AI Sticker Design Builder. Just like before, fill in a few details. Enter your main concept. Choose your sticker style, like cartoon, hand-drawn, chibi, line art, and more. Pick an emotion or mood. Select a color theme, click Submit, and in seconds, TeeStik gives you a ready-to-sell sticker design. You can download it, view the AI prompt, or create a new version in one click. Let's do one more just to show you. Update a few settings, hit Submit, and you've got another market-ready sticker design. Let's recap what you get with TeeStik. TeeStik is the first of its kind AI platform that automates t-shirt and sticker design creation. No guesswork, no delays. Just fast, high-quality designs you can sell instantly. Use AI to create your own custom designs. Access 10,000 done-for-you t-shirt and sticker files. Sell on popular print-on-demand platforms. Plus, you get step-by-step training on how to start monetizing today. Whether you're launching your first product or growing your print-on-demand business, TeeStik gives you everything you need to succeed. We're super excited to have you on board. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you inside TeeStik.